Yes, today we will learn about the MS Paint introduction, how you can draw the pictures, images on the computer with the tool we are using for it. So let's start with the chapter 7 and little bit introduction. First is MS Paint is a program where you can draw and color pictures. What you can do on the MS Paint, you can draw and color the pictures. So here it is the part of that is title bar, where you can see the icon of the MS Paint, then the name of the file that you are working, and then the application name is Paint. Next is ribbon. This whole portion we are calling it ribbon, where you have shapes, selections, uh, and you have the images, colors, layers, tools. This is layers. You can put the layers over the pictures. This is status bar, where you can see the what is the size you selected, which is the zoom range. It is zoom in, zoom out. This is scroll bar. You can scroll up and down on the images. Drawing area, where you can paint and draw anything. Ribbon contains various tools using which you can create drawing. Let's have a look at some of them. What are the line tool? Line tool is where it is. This is the line tool. You can see this is the line tool. It is used to make straight lines. Pencil tool is used to freehand drawing. This is the pencil. You can draw like this. Anything you can draw with the freehand. Line tool only gives the straight lines, no curve. Rectangle, it is used to make rectangle or square shape. Circle is used for circle or oval you can make. Eraser tool, it is used to erase your drawing. Fill tool, it is used to fill your picture with color. You can choose color from your color palette. Here it is. So they are the tools, and these are the shapes you can make, and many shapes using them. Let's start with the exercise. First, using which of the following programs you can draw and color pictures? MS Paint, it easy. The tool shown in the given image can use to, this is pencil tool. You can erase that, draw straight lines, no, draw curve lines, both B and C. So using pencil tool, you can straight and curve lines, both you can do. So answer is D. Which of the following tool can be used to fill the green color in the given picture? This is pencil tool, no. Eraser, no. For erasing you can use. This is selector, no. This is the tool for paint. You can fill the color green in this. Select the incorrect match. This is used to fill color in the shape, yes. Used to draw oval, used to draw rectangle, used for freehand drawing. This is eraser, which is used for erasing. Next is unscramble the letters of the option given in column 1. Match them with the match column 2. So let's start with the blank area where you can draw picture, but we are calling it drawing area. So where it is? B, drawing area. So B is to 1. It is includes various options such as new, save, option, etc. So it is a file tab. So C, second, contains all the drawing tools. This is fifth, and so this is third, ribbon. So this is the answer. Select the incorrect statement about MS Paint. It allows you to color your drawings as many times as you want. It also allows you to erase your mistake very easily. It doesn't allow to draw basic shape. It allows you to save your drawing in computer. So 6, it doesn't allow to draw basic shape. It allows you because we have shapes option. Select the task which cannot be done with the given tool. It cannot be used to fill the color. It cannot be used to draw shape. It can be used as an eraser. Both A and B. So we can't use to fill shape and draw. So both A and B we can't do. The tool used to draw the given freehand drawing is eraser, selection, line, pencil. Pencil is need to use for this freehand drawing. Summer wants to draw various types of rectangular shapes. Help him by suggesting the correct tool. For drawing rectangular, but we can use this tool, rectangle shape. Which tool is used to draw the given picture? You need to use oval tool. Which of the following cannot be considered as a part of paint window? So drawing area we have, ribbon we have, file tab we have, start button we don't have. Start button is in on the Windows main toolbar. Which of the following part of a computer is to make drawing using MS Paint? Mouse, printer, speaker, both A and C. So answer is A. Mouse is used. We don't need speakers for it, not printer. Using MS Paint program, you cannot draw shape. You can make greeting cards. You can listen to music. No, you can't listen music using it. Which of the following is drawing using the straight lines? You can make this B. Which of the following cannot be drawn using the oval tool? Both A and B you can do because these both are this is curved lines, this is a parallelogram. You can't draw with that. You can do only this. Okay kids, let's practice them and we will do next chapter which is latest development. We'll do in the next class. Bye bye. Follow and share for the worksheet. Bye.